Namaste children. We begin our lesson with an interesting riddle. Listen to me carefully. An age-old tree with a thick, strong trunk gives deep, dark shade from the scorching sun. Like an old man's beard with many strands, it has ropes for swinging from every branch. So, can you recognize the answer by seeing this picture? Yes, you are right. It's a banyan tree. A banyan tree gives cool shade to the passers-by and shelter to birds and animals. Like banyan tree, there are many living things in our environment which are connected with each other. For example, we depend upon plants or trees for fruits and vegetables, medicines and wood. This is how we come to know that humans and plants or trees are connected with each other. So today we are going to learn a new lesson in EVS, the interrelationships between living things. Do you know what is interrelationship? The way in which two or more things are connected with each other is called an interrelationship. It is also known as coexistence. It means to exist together or at the same time. The needs of living things are met in their environment. We need food, water, clean air, clothing, and shelter in our day-to-day life to satisfy our needs. Food we get from plants and animals. Air we get from our environment. Water we get from river, lakes and rains. Clothes we get from plants and animals. And shelter we get from the resources available in the environment. So, it is clear that the needs of all living things are met in our environment. In our environment, animals, plants, and humans are all interdependent on each other. Interdependent means two or more people or things are dependent on each other. Children, do you think the needs of all living things are same? No, everyone's needs are different. For instance, the water that a mouse drinks in an entire day would not be enough for an elephant. Butterflies feed on the nectar of flowers. Can a frog do the same? No. A sheep eats the leaves of shrubs, but a tiger cannot. A fish can breathe in water. Can a bird do that? No. Children, can we breathe in water? Yes, you are right. We cannot breathe in water. Bulrushes grow in water. But a lemon tree? Not at all. So, it is clear that the needs of different living things are different. Now, let's see how animals fulfill their needs. We will take the example of a tiger. A tiger has stripes. It hides among tall grasses. Its prey cannot see it. When the tiger is hungry, it can feed on them. For a tiger, there needs to be a water hole nearby which never dries up, even in summer. There must be caves in hills or mountains so that the tiger can find shelter. A tiger inhabits means occupy an area where all these things are available. This means all living things live only where all their needs are fulfilled. Now, look at the animals in the slide. What are they called? Right, they are domestic animals. Domestic animals help us to satisfy our needs. They become dear to us. We look after them well. We feed them. We take them to a vet. Do you know who is a vet? He is an animal doctor. Animals are helpful and used in many ways. We get egg, meat, and milk from animals. Some animals are used for carrying burdens. Domestic animals are used to help in heavy farm work in fields. Dog guards our house. Sheep give us wool. So, animals can be rightly called our best friend. Just as we need animals, we need plants too. We grow plants that are useful to us. We sow seeds. We make sure that they get water and proper sunlight. Plants too satisfy our needs. Plants give us food grains, vegetables, flowers, and fruits. We get cotton wool from plants to make cotton clothes. So children, what have we learned today? The needs of all living things are met in the environment. We need air, water, food, clothes, and shelter to satisfy our needs. Next, we will learn about the seasonal changes in living things. Till then, bye.